Sometimes I like playing my music without using screens or apps. So I made this jukebox. I can play songs by scanning these music cards or even start a playlist. And here's how I made it. The enclosure is 3D printed. The brain of the device is an ESP32 C3 Super Mini. We use an RC522 RFID scanner module to scan the RFID cards, a DF Mini MP3 player module with an SD card, a BAM8403 amplifier with volume control, and two speakers of 40mm diameter, and an 1.3-inch OLED display, and a lot of jumper wires. The connection details are on the GitHub page. The link is in the description. After connecting only the RFID reader, upload the Read Cards program and open the serial monitor. Now you can scan all your cards and get their IDs. I have already numbered these cards so I can tell them apart. Copy these IDs and paste them in the main program. Here we can map a card's ID to a song number. Let's add a card to song number 3. And you can also add cards to the folder numbers so that you can play entire folders using just one card. Once you have mapped all the IDs to the song numbers, you can upload the main program. And if you want to print this but don't have a 3D printer, today's sponsor might be exactly what you need. Rapid Direct is a professional custom parts manufacturing company offering services like CNC machining, injection molding, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and more for creators and engineers. Ordering is also simple. Just upload your CAD file to their online platform to get an instant quote plus automated DFM feedback, which helps identify issues before production. And you can also get up to 20% off on your first order with Rapid Direct. Links are in the description. Next, insert the SD card into your computer and create a folder called MP3 on the SD card. Copy the MP3 music files here. Next, add numbers to the file names like this. I want card number 1 to play this song, so I will rename it to have 001 at the beginning, and so on. And to create a playlist, create a folder in the root of the SD card. 01 will be playlist 1, and so on. And you can paste all the songs inside that folder. And all the songs inside the folder will be played when you scan the card for that folder. We can create up to 99 folders like this. So when I scan the card, the respective song plays. When I scan a playlist card, it plays all the music in that specific folder. I even printed some album art and pasted them on the RFID cards. Comment if you are going to make this for your next project, and subscribe for more projects like this.